Hi, first graders. You have a new passage. It's called The Offer. And our letters look a little different. Our A's look like this. So this letter will say A or A. And our G's look like this. So they will either say G, 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 or that new sound we learned, the G can say J, 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 like in large and G. It is about camping, which involves tents and being outdoors. And we have our tricky words. This is the word said, when, what, and how. Okay. And this is my friend, is a frog, and he will be reading today. Okay, ready? Here we go. I was sitting in the kitchen, scratching a large bug bite on my leg when Nan came in. I just spoke with Jack, she said. He offered to take us camping with him and Max. What would we do? I asked. We would hike, look at rocks, cook lunch and dinner outside, look at the stars, and sleep in a tent. Gee, I said, that sounds like fun. When can we start? Okay, your spelling words are chips. The CH says ch. The word is chips. Much. The CH says ch. Much. Catch. The TCH says ch. Catch. Fetch. TCH says ch. Fetch. Marsh. The SH says sh. Marsh. Shine. The SH says sh. Shine. Flash. The SH says sh. Flash. And our tricky word is how. The H says huh, and the OW says ow. Huh, ow, how.